Hello and welcome guys to our channel. In this video we are gonna cover the introduction to microcontrollers. Before we jump off to the topic, let's go back a few steps and understand the ideology behind it. Before microcontrollers there were microprocessors. So what was the need for microcontroller? Let's get started. As the term indicates, processor, to process or the device that just processes without intelligence, and controller, to process and control or the device that actively controls the functions and accordingly processes. So let's understand the difference between both. Microcontroller has got inbuilt RAM or ROM. Microprocessor do not have inbuilt RAM or ROM. Memory and input-output ports, timers, interrupts are integrated inside the microcontroller chip, whereas memory, input-output ports, timers and interrupts are not integrated inside the chip of microprocessor. Microcontroller can work as a microcomputer without any additional components, but microprocessor requires many additional digital components to perform its operation. The microcontroller system is simple, economic and compact, whereas the microprocessor system is bulkier and expensive as it requires additional components. Microcontroller has separate memory to store program and data, but microprocessor has program and data that are stored in the same memory. The microcontroller has low accessing time, whereas microprocessor requires higher accessing time. The Boolean operations in microcontroller is possible directly on individual bit, whereas in the microprocessor, Boolean operations are not possible directly on the individual bit. And as we get from the previous point, maximum of the pins of microcontroller are programmable, whereas only few pins of microprocessor are programmable. The microcontrollers are widely used in small control systems such as washing machine, modern LED TV, etc. Whereas microprocessors are widely used in modern PC and laptops. The famous microcontroller series is Intel 8051, 89C51 and very latest is the ARM series. And microprocessors are Intel 8086 and Intel Pentium series. That's all for today. In this video we learned the idea behind developing microcontroller and the difference between microcontroller and microprocessor. Hope you all find this video informative, so do like and share with your friends, comment your views and subscribe to the channel.